General Chiwenga Voluntary Supporters Association for immediate release. Sanamida mashoko anobuda nyuka panapa aiwa nema supporters a General Chiwenga vanovachipa immediate release aiwa padare maprotest ranga riri zuru. Ndimbo subscribe wala got on the bell icon achipindura pamusoro ma 31st March protest anyora achiti, comrades in the struggle, sons and daughters of the soil, today you have demonstrated unwavering courage and patriotism in answering the call to defend your country from oppression. Your defiance in the face of tyranny is a testament to the unbreakable spirit of Zimbabwean people. The enemy expected fear, but you showed them the fire of a determined nation. We strongly condemn the brutal crackdown by the police against peaceful demonstrators, but let them know no amount of force can suppress a revolution whose time has come. Intel briefing. The rumblings within the barracks cannot be ignored. The army, drawn from the sons and daughters of Zimbabwe, stands with the people. Men within the ranks know that their duty is to the nation, not to a handful of corrupt allies. The oppressors are losing control, and their greatest fear is a people united with their armed forces. To the masses, the battlefield is set, and victory belongs to the fearless. Continue to mobilize. Continue to resist Regananda. The struggle does not end until General Chiwenga leads Zimbabwe to greater heights. For in behalf of General Chiwenga Voluntary Supporters Association, issued by GCVSA Ntokozo Msiva, Secretary General. Domashwa Rudanyo panapa nema General Chiwenga Voluntary Supporters Association vachiti aiwa, yes, tukuona kuti panapa you protested, aiwa makaita in full capacity of yourselves, aiwa vanouya vachireward vachicongratulate ma citizens, but vanouya vachimobilize vachiti isusu hatisi kuzombomira kana takatoprotesta tikatoratidzira the regime yakuzviziva, vanhu vakaramba vari mudzimba, the regime yakuzviziva kuti aiwa they listen to bomb showcase, but now varamba vachiti we are keeping going to strike until aiwa General Chiwenga vatungamira nyika yeZimbabwe. Ndo masvika anoda toka panapa nemavoluntary supporters aVP. Mina kumese section medu dzemafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, on the bell icon.